Upper Nyack's Nyack Beach rests in the shadows of Hook Mountain. Nyack is the northern extent of the Hudson River Palisades, vertical rock cliffs that extend southward about 20 miles to Jersey City. The English word pole is rooted in the Latin word palus, which is a stake, as in wooden pole, and palisade is a derivative referring to a defensive fence of wooden stakes, like a line of logs. The Lenape described these cliffs as rocks that look like rows of trees, or Weehawken, which is also a name given to a town in New Jersey that sits atop the Palisade Cliffs with Midtown Manhattan in view across the Hudson. The property tightest against the foot of Hook Mountain is the Marydell Faith and Life Center retreat facility of the Sisters of Our Lady of Christian Doctrine, an apostolic diocesan congregation founded by Marion Gurney, who served immigrants in New York City at the start of the 1900s. As the 1900s approached, the shoreline of Upper Nyack developed to host mansions of wealthy barons in the Gilded Age. Sadly, most, such as Rivercliff and Widewater, have been demolished and replaced with later multi-million-dollar estates. Over the horizon behind Upper Nyack is the village of Valley Cottage, New York. A natural widening along a 10-mile stretch of the Hudson River is called the Tappan Zee, named for the Tappan peoples of the Lenape, and the Dutch word zee for sea. Downstream of Nyack, the Tappan Zee Bridge, today the Governor Mario M. Cuomo Bridge, carries the New York State Thruway over the Hudson River.